Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Vlogmas Day 19 and today we are still on our headpiece series. So today we'll be doing an headpiece which is like a turban, headband turban with bow, to have a bow. And this small fabric here is 3 inches by 5 inches. I have 3 inches by 5 inches. And the bigger fabric is 7 inches. 7 inches, and the wideness is my head circumference plus 6 inches. So it is a stretchy fabric. Yeah. So the first thing I'll be doing is taking to the sewing machine. I'll be folding into 2. I'll be sewing on the wrong side on 0.5 straight down. So I've sewn. Now I'll turn it out. So I've turned out, and this is my seam. Yeah, so I'm trying to place it in the middle. Same on this side. So I'll turn this like this. You can see what I did. The right side facing the right side. This is where my seam is on. So I'm joining these together. Joining them together on 0.5. So I've joined together. I'll turn it out now to the right side. Yeah. So from here, this is my seam area. I'll measure 5 inches from here to this place. So I'll take to my sewing machine and I'll sew this place together. Remember, I'm sewing the two of them together. From here to here, 5 inches, then I sew here. So I've sewn. So you have to watch carefully what I'm doing now. I'm using my thread to tie this place around now. So I have this thread I'm using to tie them together. You can also use your needle and thread if you want to. So this is it. Just set the bow very well. So after that, this is my little piece of fabric. I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew on this part on 0.5 and I'll turn it out. So this is it I've sewn. This is my seam area. So I'll try to place it in the center also like this. So I'll use it to cover this like this as tight as possible. And I'll take to my sewing machine and sew very close. It has to be firm to this place to cover this. And I'll be sewing on this place like this. So this is it I've sewn. I'll trim up the excess. Then I'll turn it in with my hand. So this is the end. Can you see it's so beautiful? This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.